Hello, my friends, welcome to our books. I hope that you are all fine and your term 1 exams are also very much near. So, in this time, you need a good set of sample papers for final revision. Sample papers are the most important part of revision for the exams because these sample papers create an environment as like of the exam and helps you to prepare nicely. And so today I am going to review sample papers of four subjects: English, Maths, Social Science and Science of Educart publication. So let's start. So this is the sample question paper set for term 1 class 10 provided by the Educart publication for subjects of English, Maths, that is standard, basic is also there, Science and Social Science. We are going to I will tell you about these four books also, means I will just review one book and from that your idea will be clear that how other books will be there. So let me review the today I will review the maths book. Okay, let me review the maths book. First, let me tell you some basic features of this book, some benefits or advantages that I can tell you. This book contains 12 sample papers that are strictly based on the CBSE Term 1 pattern. Okay. It includes OMR sheets and self-evaluation charts. It also contains the CBSE sample paper of 2021. Okay. Means you are getting the CBSE sample paper also, the official one, and other 12 sample papers made by the Educart publication. And these all sample papers are strictly following the CBSE syllabus and the newest pattern. So no worries, strictly based on the newest syllabus. So let me tell you, as you can see, this is the book, the front page, and let me tell you about the sample paper set. So you are getting 8 solved sample paper. The first one is the one provided by the CBSE board, that is the what can I tell, that is the official one, and then 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these 8 are solved, are fully solved and are provided by the Educart publication. Okay, then you are getting self assessment papers. Self assessment papers are 9 10 11. Okay, these are self assessment papers in what? These are for quick final revision and these are mostly unsolved. Unsolved means what? You will not get the solution in this book, but you will get the solution in the official website of Educart. Okay, and last 12 and 13 you are getting extra sample paper PDF download with OMR sheet. Okay, means here in last 12 and 13 you are also getting OMR sheet, and these are some extra sample papers. Means in total you are getting 13 sample papers, 12 made by the CBSE board, Educart publication, and the one made by the CBSE board. The first one is the one made by the CBSE board, this is the official one, and then from 2 to 13 these are the one made by the Educart publication. Okay, let me tell you about the quality about the sample papers made by the Educart publication. The quality is very good. I have tested, and all the sample papers are of the best quality and following the latest pattern also. Solutions are very nice and are correct also. In first 2 to 8, when first 1 to 8 you are getting the complete solution, detailed solution, and in last 9 to 13 you are getting the solution but in the official website, and also some hints, not the proper solution, but this is good. So first in 1 to 8 you are getting fully prepared, and to test yourself you can solve the papers from 9 to 13 in a time bound environment solving the OMR sheet. So the first one, these are the some special objective maps chapter wise. The objective maps, what they do, they help you to get an idea about the chapter. This helps you for final revision only. If your full chapter is prepared, then you can use these maps for revision, and then you can use it. Okay, and let me tell you one sample paper. Just see the sample paper. This is the sample paper question number 5. This is the fully solved sample paper. It contains section A, section B and section C. Okay, as like this official sample paper, it contains a section A, section B, section C, and then you are getting solution. So this is you are getting in from 1 to 8. And then if I open after 8, see after 8 you are getting the 9th sample paper, and see this is the 9th sample paper. This is also section wise divided as per the official paper, and then you have to scan this QR code to get the solutions. Means here also you are getting the solution from 1 to 13, total 13 papers you are getting, and in 13 papers you are getting the solutions also, so no problem. So this is how the book looks in the Educare publication, the sample paper book. This book is same for maths, science. This book is same means what, the quality of the sample paper and the quantity is same in maths, science, social science and English. Every sample paper is strictly based on the term 1 syllabus, term 1 pattern, and the number of question papers are also 13. You are getting complete explanation also. You are getting mind maps also for quick and final revision. Okay, so I think that you are able to find the best review of this book in the YouTube through our channel. So the buying link of this book is given in the description box and in the pinned comment also. You can check that out. Buying links of Flipkart, Amazon, the official website are given. You can check that, and more reviews are coming soon in the channel. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, click on the bell icon and comment and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.